Hello and welcome. Why is linguistics not considered art? The first point is linguistics does not study language for aesthetic purpose. The word aesthetic, science of beauty, art of beauty, knowledge of beauty, magnificence of beauty. So linguistics does not look at language from the perspective of your aestheticism, from the perspective of how you feel about language. Therefore, cannot say linguistics is art. Therefore, linguistics is not considered art. We continue. It does not analyze elements of language emotionally. There is no element of emotion involved in the analysis or interpretation of linguistic element. Therefore, we cannot consider it art. We continue our discussion. Therefore, linguistics is not an art.